Great post, Casey. I like how you describe the expectancy violation theory. It is, in my opinion, I think that it is how we perceive how others should behave and how we react positively or negatively. And one example comes to mind. I was actually in Atlanta doing some training for work, and we had a diverse group of people at the dinner table, and one of the guys was asking the waiter about the portions of the sides. It was a fancy restaurant, and the waiter told him that, one side we could split between a couple people because they were fairly good size. And when the waiter brought the sides, they were super small for what I'm used to. I mean, it was literally enough for one person. And one of the guys, he was from Michigan, got upset and was kind of making a scene about it and making a big deal and was raising his voice and, in my opinion, was acting rude. And I was embarrassed. It put me off. I reacted negatively, and my expectation was for somebody not to make a scene. Later on in the night, we were, had a few drinks, and it was a nice restaurant, intimate setting, and there was some couples on dates, you could tell, around us, and he was talking really loud and cussing, and you could see that it was bothering a couple of the other people, and it made me feel very uncomfortable. And as we were walking out, I kind of apologized to the waiter. I was like, "Hey, sorry, I don't think he meant anything by it." And the waiter, said no big deal, but for me and some other people too, it made us uncomfortable. So, it violated our communication norms and formalities. So, anyways, the social norms that I have was obviously different than what he had, but great video.